Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making Viennese whirl biscuits. In my bowl I'm going to mix together butter, icing sugar, cornflour, plain flour and vanilla extract. I'm now going to take my mixture and place it into a piping bag. I'm now going to pipe my biscuits onto a baking tray, but making sure I leave enough space between them. I have preheated my fan oven to 170 degrees and I'm going to bake my biscuit in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes or until they go a pale golden colour. While my biscuits are cooling, I'm going to make my buttercream. I'm going to mix together butter, icing sugar and vanilla extract. I am now going to assemble them together. In my piping bag I have placed my buttercream. I'm going to put a little bit on each side. And then on the other side, I'm going to add some raspberry jam, or you can use strawberry jam. Then I'm going to take the jam side and the buttercream and place them on top. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.